Okay, I printed off some other questions we got. Another one for a little bonus content here is, this question was regarding the sizing for PEX-B. Is it really an issue if you're doing a home run to a manifold with no couplers or 90s within the run of that fitting? The answer is no. That insert style fitting would not matter in that scenario, so you would not have to account for that in the sizing. So a manifold, what he's talking about is all the fixtures run into a central manifold. Think of it like an electrical box with all your fuses and stuff. There's a system like that called a parallel water distribution system that all the water runs into one location, and that's what that comment's referring to. Another question was, I was unable to find PEX-A in stores. Where do I get it? I was at Home Depot prior to this. They had a huge PEX-B section, and I was also surprised to see they had a full PEX-A section. So at Home Depot, they had both PEX-A, PEX-B, and an equal supply of fittings for both styles. On PEX-B joining method, this question says, do you prefer crimps or clamps? So this style is called a crimp. There is a clamp style, which is almost like, I wouldn't say zip tie, but it's like a hose clamp style with a different tool and a different joining method. I think the the clamp style, which is the zip tie style, is an easier, quicker tool methodology. It's less cumbersome, but as far as longevity of that joint and potential for leaks, I like the crimp is a more reliable joining method. Another comment was, price A tool is way more expensive than you said in the video. Our prior video, PEX-A to PEX-B, I think I quoted at like $250. At Home Depot, it is truly $399, so it is way more expensive. I apologize. We buy a ton of these tools, and I think we get a volume discount, so my apologies. Okay, that's about it. Follow us, like us, continue to ask questions, and we're gonna keep answering them as much as possible. Thanks for watching.